Hey guys, welcome back to Pokemon Panda, and today I'm gonna be making another Pokemon unboxing video. Da, 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 da. So, yeah, here we go. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and that little bell, ding, 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 ding. I might get a bell soon. So, first one. Trying to get some good cards. Okay, we got a Bagon. Oh, buddy! Huh? What do you mean? Okay, we got a Oh, yo, this is steak. This is good. Good thing I bought 4 of them. Okay, let's do this one. Here comes another one. C dots. Okay, horrible. Okay, this is my good pile. Horrible pile and good pile. This one. Nope, not so good. Okay, hope guys, hope. Let's hope. And then cut this one. Love disc and... No! Okay, horrible. These are the 2 good ones that I got. And trust me, I love these. So, I love these Pokemon like that. So, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.